Americans. It was uprisings that got rid of slavery. Let's remember that when they start talking about not being violent in the United States of America. We're not violent, it's the police that are violent. It's the police that are the outside agitators. It's the police that have been attacking journalists. It's the police that have attacked dozens of journalists. It's the police that have allowed white supremacist vigilante groups to operate without any hindrance. It's the rich in America that have looted the US Treasury to the tune of $5 trillion. And they're worrying about people taking nappies or diapers for the Americans out of shops without paying for them. That's the only reason you have mass looting is because you have mass poverty. You have 40 million unemployed in the United States of America. You have tens of millions of people with no food to eat in the United States of America. And all of this at the same time when they're killing us on the street because of the colour of our skin. Say his name! Say his name! Say his name! Say his name! Say his name!
Don't tell our children about the Bible, you know? Because England doctrine is the Bible. And the Bible first commandment said, thou shalt not kill. And you want to tell our children about the Bible and you are killing? Come on now. We are living in
And working class people up and down this country have been dying as a result of the pandemic. It's the same story in the United States of America. That's why they're opening up. They've just discovered, oh, we've got to get the economy back to get going again. We've got to get the profits made again. And we don't care how many tens of thousands. Over 100,000 dead in America. 64,000 dead in this country. Can you believe that? 64,000. Just yesterday alone, 334 were killed by COVID. And on top of that, we have a racist police force. Enough is enough. And we see saying solidarity to the uprising in the United States of America. All power to the people in the United States of America. No justice! 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 No justice!
Go and watch Birth of a Nation. If you haven't watched Birth of a Nation, you'll see how they portray black people in that movie as criminals, as vagabonds, and then you end up being scared of your own people. But today, we say no more. It's more than Black Lives Matter. We need education. Go and educate yourself on race, where you come from, and you will understand where we are going. If you do not know where you come from, don't know where you're going.
That's right, Daddy changed the world.
Wait, we don't.
He did what?